Hello guys, my name is Bojan Vavan, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to import video footage in Premiere Pro. So there's a three way to do this, so let's hop in Premiere Pro and begin. Okay, the first way, we just double click on this area here. From this pop-up window we can choose our video file, so choose video and click open, and that's it for the first way. Second way, we're gonna use shortcuts, so press Ctrl and I, that's for Windows. For Mac is Command plus I, and we from this pop-up window we can choose multiple files. That's the case for all three ways. Choose file and click open, and that's it for second way. And third and the last way is we're going to file up here, then choosing insert, and again choose file, click open, and that's it. I hope this was useful for you. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. See ya in next one.